we've arrived. We've arrived on Riverside in Dundee. Oh, what's your bags? Oh, just had a bike dinging. Here's our first Willie of the day. And you just want to get in the picture?
Yes. There's a squad. Squad home.
Don't go fit as a win, but
I'm going to get me too.
I know. I think so. Right, that's it, folks. Willie number 1. So this is our third week in a row down in this area. Came 2 weeks ago for the Willie Trail. Last week for the Antiques Roadshow. Back again for a family meetup. Yes. So we're going to do more Willies today. I know I still can't say that. More Willies. More all Willies. More all Willies.
Got Dazzle Willie.
About 3122, bro.
Well, I think the structure's a bit wobbly. Jillie's scared. She's going away. She's the new Gordon. She's scared.
Light heights.
You'll be sick in a minute. It's a bit wobbly.
Oh, no, is it? Oh,
Yeah, I'm going down that way.
oh, Julie, keep her in. She's not liking it. Keep her in. Julie's scared, right? Block her in. She doesn't like it. Block her in. It's just like the old days. Yes. Yes. Why don't you like it? Yes. Excellent.
Will I just stand and jump here?
Very good. I just want to say, take this opportunity to thank Karen and Brian for the new Weird Fish tops. Now, I haven't actually got mine yet because Jag's been wearing both, thinking they're both his.
I know, I do apologise about that, sorry.
I've now got mine in the back of the car because Jag gave me mine today, so thank you very much indeed. I shall wear it in the next video adventure.
Thank you, Karen and Brian, for mine too. It's lovely, and I like the colour. Great. I shall wear it. I got light blue, but it's a pretty one.
Alright, okay. Thank you very much once again. There's another really, folks. Look at the colour of the sky in the background though. It's very dark. Look at it. So I wasn't filming there. Take 2. Right, here we are at the Royal. What's this one called? The Royal Scotsman. Royal Scots Guard.
No, just the Scots Guard.
Just the Scots Guard.
Scots Guard Willie.
Scots Guard Willie. Here we are. Just missed that on video, folks. Jag fell over. He fell over.
That didn't actually fall. I kind of went on the
Right, he'll be milking it now for the next 2 weeks.
staggered across the road there.
Yes, but it's called the Boozy Cow. Well, if I can get in that, you can surely get in it. Yes, easy. Right, got 2 in now. 2 in.
Hello.
Hello!
We can stand up in here. Spurs.
Buzz!
Wow.
Whew.
So bang your head. Fall. Fall. Fall.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Still building.
You feel it moving? No.
Right, everybody at once on one side. Push back, push back.
Oh.
Rude. Right, here we go.
When's the last time you were in a lift, Julie? Because you live in the country now.
Look, I'm scared. Look, I'm holding on. Never.
Yes, here we go. Right, 11.
It's a theme park ride. It just
11.
drops. It goes.
Whoa! Boom. Oh, who's that? I'm married.
Hello.
Good evening.
Woo.
Excellent.
Lazy.
Doesn't feel like I'm on my holiday. I think I'm saying next week I have one kind of
You alright?
Hi, you okay?
Yeah, good.
Count the money tomorrow.
Sorry.